Hi, it's Chris from Duffy Floors, and we're here on the Acton job where we just completed a custom stain work on white oak flooring. Basically, we mixed a Jacobean and classic gray together. It got a great, not as dark brown color, but it brought up the gray highlights in all the grain. If you can see down here, what we've done is we've done a lot of this, and it's got a lot of the brown, but it's got a lot of the gray highlights in it also. So you can see all over in here how consistently brown and with this grayish background that it's got bleeding through. Really was a great job getting this custom color. I didn't think that it would work as well, but it really did. It worked very well. So this is Chris from Duffy Floors, and if you've got any wood floor needs or you'd want some custom stain work done, give us a call. I'm at 781-395-3418.